In this video, we're going to take a look at a Venn diagram. So a Venn diagram is a diagram that shows all possible logical relations between a finite collection of different sets. So we're going to use the Venn diagram at the left to answer our following questions. So set A is factors of 12 and set B are factors of 16. Alright, so it says, what are the elements of set A? So think of set A as this circle over here on the left. So set A contains all the factors of 12, which would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Notice we list them from smallest to largest, and they're all the factors in that circle on the left. Then it says, what are the elements of set B? So set B are all the factors of 16. So we would say 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. This little 16 is just meant to be saying factors of 16. So 16 is not listed twice right there. What are 1, 2, and 4 in both sets? So 1, 2, and 4 right here in the middle, they are like the overlap or the intersection of the two sets. The ones they have in common. Common elements. So it says, what is A intersect B? So that would be where we could just list them out. So 1, 2, and 4 are the intersection of A and B. And what is A union B? Would be everything in our Venn diagram. So we would need to list all the numbers in order of smallest to largest. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and then we have 12 and 16. So that's it for that example. Let's look at another example. In a class of 60 students, 21 sign up for chorus, 29 sign up for band, and 5 take both. 15 students in the class are not enrolled in either band or chorus. Put this information into a Venn diagram, and if the sample space S is the set of all students in the class, let students in chorus be set A. So let's first label chorus as our set A, and band can be set B. So let's say band is set B. So the first thing we want to do is pick out the ones that are in both, because that's going to be the easiest thing to start with, is put that right in the middle. And then reread the problem. So in a class of 60 students, 21 sign up for chorus. So if 21 sign up for chorus and 5 take band and chorus, you have to include those in the 21. So then we would have 16 left that take chorus. That way total you have 21, including those 5. And then band had 5 that took band and chorus, but 29 signed up for band. So we'd have 24 more students that only took band, and including the 5 that take both, we have 29 total that took band. And it says, what is A intersect B? So that would be those 5 students in the middle. And then what is A union B? So that means who takes band or chorus. So that would be 16 plus 5 plus 24. So 16 plus 5 plus 24 would give us 45 students. Because keep in mind, we also have the 15 students that don't take band or chorus. So they are outside of the picture of band or chorus. Alright, so now let's look at another vocabulary word. Complement of a set. This is everything not included in the set that you're asked to find the complement of. So for our first example, we have set S that includes all integers. So notice -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it keeps going in both directions, and these are all of our integers. Oops, I misspelled integers. Let me back up. So integers, I don't need an extra R. Alright, and then set A is a subset of set S. Set A are all the even integers. So -2, 0, 2, 4 are even integers. And it asks us to find the complement of set A. So A complement, if A is even integers, would be everything that's not even. So A complement equals all numbers or integers that are not even, which would be odd. And then to write them out, we can use a similar notation and put some dots. That means they would keep going. And we could say let's start with something a little smaller. Let's say -3, -1, 1, 3, 5, and then they could keep going. So the complement of even integers would be odd integers. Notice they don't have they never share common elements. That's a big part of a complement of something. Now let's look at another example using the one we wrote up above. It says use the Venn diagram above about the class of 60 students. What is A complement? So think of chorus was A. Let me erase some of my markings here. So if chorus was our A, then think of who is not in chorus. So not in chorus would be these 24 plus these 15 right here. So 24 plus 15 are all the students not in chorus, which would give us 39. Then it says, what is B's complement? So B is all the students that are in band. So think about all the students not in band would be these 16 and these 15. So that would be 16 plus 15, which would give us 31 students. And then it asks, what is the complement of the intersection of A and B? So the intersection of A and B was this 5 right there. So think about who's not included in the intersection. So the only ones in the intersection are those 5. We had 60 students total, so 60 minus those 5 students would give us 55. And the last question is, what is the complement of the union of A and B? So the union of A and B would be all the students that take band or chorus. So that is all of these students. The complement of that are these 15 that don't take either band or chorus. So we would say that is just those 15. So 60 minus the 45, or you just know that those are the 15 that sit outside of the Venn diagram. Okay, so that'll be the end of this video for now, and the next one would include